fam bam, it's me, just Londa. Have you subscribed? Have you joined the fam bam? Join the madness, join the fun. It's me, just Londa. One, I had a request to put Gabon and Burkina together to see how it's going to look. So I'm so sorry that it's late, but I did do it, and I wasn't home for the majority of the time. I had a lot going on, but we're gonna do like a quick, simple look. But I definitely wanted to feature this. So you know what we gotta do, because I was stumbling and fumbling. Throw that beautiful baked bean footage. So all I really did is just kind of prep my skin, okay, to be honest with you, because I really don't want to put on a lot of foundation when it comes to Juvia's Place I Am Magic. So I did use the Max Complexion Correction pads just to, wipe my face down, kind of prep it. So I am not prepared at all. And I told that girl I'll be done in about an hour. And she texted me about an hour ago. But I was knocked out. I was just done. You know how you're just done for the day? I was just done for the day. I did participate in the VIB sale, so that should be coming in shortly. Once it comes in, I'll definitely do a haul. Let me know if you want a live haul. That's something that I'm kind of interested in doing. Just to, see what if y'all got anything similar to what I've picked up. Things like that. Oh my God, it's so hot in this house here. It's always hot in this house here. And if I'm not mistaken, that's the concealer in number 12, which I really love this color. This color is like awesome for loads of reasons. Okay, that looks good. I'm satisfied with that. So I really don't want to do a lot. I really don't, because I just don't. So what I will do, I got the Aina palette and I have the Makeup by Mario palette. I'm just going to go in with edges and just start in my backdrop. And edges for me is like a reddy browny color, like a brick red actually. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take my brush and go down and go into credit. And just kind of build my eye that way. Like I said, this is going to be quick and easy. Going to take my eyeliner, and this is LA Girl in Ultimate Black. I am going to take my Juvia's Place eyeliner, liquid eyeliner that is, and draw like a small little wing. I say small, but it may not even be small. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take, again, Juvia's Place number 12. Like, I just want to hurry up. because I know kind of hoping she'll back out of it, but I don't think she will. I love Juvia's Place concealer. I need to stop buying concealer. I think I found like my two holy grails, which is Marc Jacobs and which is no longer being sold, and Juvia's Place. Like, I love how their concealers look on me. So I'm going to take a small dot of Burkina and Gabon. So Gabon is right here, Burkina is right there. And I don't like putting a lot on because this is a real full coverage. Like, she full. Like, she pregnancy full, 9 months full. You know what I'm saying? That's how full coverage she is. She's going to give you the glam. She's going to give you the glow. She's going to give you all that you were looking for and then some. Just going to put a little bit more together. Just a tad bit more because it's already dried up on my hand there. Just so I can get the full coverage on both sides. Oh my God, I hear music. I hope that's just her son. I didn't bring any setting powder out. Oh God. Okay, so I am going to use number 3 concealer from Juvia's Place. That's going to be my contour color because I really like this color. I'm just going to take my brush here and just kind of buff out the edges. There we go. Quickly, I am going to put credit underneath my, just smoked out the lower lash with credit. I'm gonna go into Zam and just put a little right here in between in the inner corner of my eye. Let me find, do I want some falsies on? I'm not going to put on falsies because I'm wearing glasses. So it is what it is. Let me put on my lips, powder my face, at least my under eye, and we'll come back. All right? All right, divas and divos, this is the finished look. Okay, so all I did was use my Sephora Pro palette for setting my contour and highlighter. So basically all I did was put Epic and Jet Setter on the perimeter of my face. For highlight, I use Glitz and a little bit of Queen for a highlighter. And then for blusher, I used a little bit of Premier and After Party. On my lips, I did line my lip using the MAC lip liner in Night Moth, and also gloss by MAC is called Dreamy. Lip Glass by MAC. No lashes because I am wearing pink glasses to match my pink boots. And this is it. So divas and divos, I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Like, I need to get out the door. And to the young person who requested this, thank you, because I do like this combination. This combination is fierce. Like, it's really, really good. I really do like it. So thank you for getting me to mix these colors up. But again, I can go with Gabon or I can go with Burkina. I just prefer Burkina because of how lighter this is. So, but I can do Gabon on a any other day. On that note, fam bam, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that make me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.